A Tech Geek's Cupcake resolution story simply explains body, mind and sub-mind in tech term, and how to truly transform for better self. Hey friend! New Year vibes are rolling in, and it's time for those resolutions. But hey, did last year's promises slip through the cracks? Wondering why they didn't stick? Why is it so hard to change? Well, let me introduce a tech-savvy hero. He will use his own story to simply explain why resolutions don't work. Meet Cody, a genius application coder with dreams of a healthier life. Cody wants to create an app to remind himself to limit his sugar intake. So Cody writes a nifty code that shouts, "No cupcakes after a workout." Excitedly, he hits the run button, but no. Something is wrong. Instead of "no cupcakes," the app screams, "Get cupcakes, I deserve it." What's the glitch? Cody dives into the code, eyes squinting, but it's all crystal clear. Why's my app playing Cupcake Party instead? Hi, I am Fong. I explain confusing things in professional growth, with simple true story, for a better work life. Follow this channel. Let's get it, one truth at a time. Back to Cody. After some serious detective work, it hits him, wait a second. My code runs on the operating system, OS. It is the OS operating the app. Let me check the OS. Soon he found out that the OS had a big bug. A default OS setting says, "Workout's done, I deserve a treat, and cupcake is a treat." Wow. No wonder the app's gone rogue. The OS is clashing with my code. What shall I do? I need to update my OS. Quick as a flash, Cody rewires the OS setting to chant, "Workout's done. I deserve a treat, but the treat is the health, not cupcakes." OS updated, code re-executed, and voila. The app dances to the right tune. Now, what's the punchline? Imagine your body as the app, your mind as the code, and guess who the sneaky OS is? It's your sub-mind. It is a sub, but like a mighty powerful submarine. Your mind's on track, but the sub-mind might have a big buggy surprise. That's why your resolutions stay stuck in your head and don't party in your body. The truth is, without the powerful sub-mind's cooperation, the resolutions just slip into the cracks. How to gain the sub-mind to cooperate? Simple. Just do as Cody did. It is time for an OS update. Yeah, it takes more effort and patience, but with learning, practice, and repetitions, you can renew the mighty sub-mind. So, here's the deal for the new year. Code your app, update your OS. You can not only change, but brace yourself for a resolved life transform. Happy New Year!